Hey, Sean, a Math Tutoring here with another math challenge. This one is pretty easy and it's very relevant to today. The average price of regular gas in Georgia 1 year ago was $2.90. Today it is $3.79. What is the percent increase? So we're trying to find the percent increase over the cost a year ago. So that's important to kind of make sure that we understand that. That said, the first thing we need to do is to find the difference between 379 and 290. Okay, we'll just do this the old-fashioned way. That that becomes a 2, then that 10 comes over here. All right, so 89 cent is the difference. So the question is 89 cent is what percentage of 290? So we're going to write that in the form of an equation. So 0.89 is some percentage of 290. I'm just going to write 2.9. So divide by 2.9. Okay, I just put this in my calculator. 0.89 divided by 2.9. So that is 0.3. How many we have significant? Okay, so we rounded up 0.31. So this represents a 31% increase. That's huge. But anyhow, let me know if you got this answer. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and have a great day. Hey, thank you for watching this video. If you need math tutoring or you need SAT math help, look in the description to find out how you can sign up today. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you stay in touch with Math Swap Tutoring on YouTube. Have a good one.